back to my channel. It's Lee with Skin Beautiful RX. Today's very quick video is on Skinade. I've talked about this before, but if you see me walking around the spa or the storefront, you may see this in my hand and people are always like, what are you drinking? Additionally, a lot of people get this when they pick up in store and I get an email later on like, you put some drink in my bag, what is this? And this is such an important anti-aging supplement as well as basically superfood for your skin that I wanted to do a quick video for anybody who didn't know anything about Skinade. So Skinade is a collagen peptide supplement, but it's very different from like a collagen supplement. So there's collagen and collagen peptides. Skinade is a professional skincare drink that actually works from the inside out to rebuild collagen and elastin as well as supplement our lost hyaluronic acid. It works in our dermal layers of our skin. Collagen peptides, and this is an important part, are actually absorbed as soon as we ingest this. So within 15 seconds, this is actually absorbed by our mucosal tissue or the mucosal membranes in our mouth and is completely absorbed within 15 seconds. That is not the case for when you take collagen supplements, collagen powders, collagen pills. So what's really important is as soon as this goes into your mouth, within 15 seconds, it's fully absorbed and it actually bypasses the blood barrier as well as the small intestine. Because Skinade is absorbed through digestion, that is why it can give such amazing results to our clients and our customers regarding anti-aging, firming, brightening. It helps with skin conditions such as psoriasis and eczema, as well as it even helps with acne. It's really important to remember that collagen itself is too big to be absorbed topically, and our best way to rebuild collagen and elastin is not only through topical treatments, but also internal supplements, Skinade being the best one. Now, taking collagen is still a great way to supplement. However, because it does not get absorbed the way Skinade does, it actually has to go through the digestive tract. Only 30 to 40% of collagen supplements actually make it to where they need to go. That's not the case with Skinade because it's a delivery method. We actually get 95% of the ingredients since we are absorbing it in the mouth and it's immediately released into the body. So when we take collagen supplements, it must be broken down through a process called enzymatic hydrolysation. Now these are short chain amino acids that are easily absorbed by the body. These amino acids are glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. Skinade, the supplement, is type 1 and 3 collagen, which is the same as your skin. Now this is for clients who are 18 and up. And the way I kind of like to explain this to my clients is Skinade is basically microneedling in a bottle, in a drinkable bottle. You're gonna get the same results regarding collagen and elastin production, and this actually works in the dermal layers and up. So a lot of therapies actually can't make it to the alive layer of our skin. This actually works on dermal layers as well as the layers closest to the surface. What I also really love about Skinade and why I picked it over other collagen peptide drinks is that this is sold in plastic surgeons, dermatologists, physician offices, and this has all of their clinical studies and clinical trials. Actually speak to and show the benefits of Skinade, this oral collagen peptide, actually show results for rebuilding collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid. It's really important that even people that were in these clinical trials that were 60s, 70s saw amazing results, and those are the people that really need this. I hate when I see clinical trials with somebody in their 20s. Not saying that treating your skin and being proactive isn't important. However, when it comes to before and after photos, I like to see people with advanced aging issues actually show results and noticeable results when it comes to like, does this product actually work? Skinade, their clinical trials were through the roof amazing. You want to drink Skinade as a foundation to your overall skin health and just the overall hydration of the skin. Skinade also targets your H2 receptors, dermal layers of your skin, actually help to create our skin's natural hyaluronic acid reservoirs, and it makes your skin hydrated naturally. Isn't only amazing for like anti-aging, loss of firmness, elasticity, but this is also clinically shown to help treat post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, melasma, and hyperpigmentation, which is why I like to call it microneedling in a bottle. It also tastes really good. You can drink this warm. A lot of people do. I like to drink mine cold, and it actually tastes so good. At first I was scared because honestly I don't like taking medicine because I'm like, ew, it tastes weird. This tastes like Kool-Aid. This one's guava. Another great thing about Skinade, it's not only bioavailable, but it's also bioidentical to our own natural collagen. I like to tell people, if you want to basically supercharge your skin, you're gonna wanna take Skinade. If you are somebody who really is serious about the foundation of your skin being as healthy as possible, then you will want Skinade in your routine. It comes already pre-made in these little bottles. You can also get it in Travels if you want to be easy, carry it in your purse. You just put this into water. And then they also have Dermal Defense, which is my favorite packet. This is actually vitamin A internally. Pairing this with a topical vitamin A, you will not get better results. Like, this amplifies your topical routine. There is also Clear, which is for acne, and cellulite, which is just a great weight loss tool. But my favorite is gonna be Dermal Defense, and you can mix it in with the regular Skinade or take it by itself. A lot of people ask like how long you have to be on this, and clinical studies, all the clinical trials showed that you max out your benefit at 90 days. So you wanna take one a day for 90 days. And then after that, you can be like me, I take this 2 to 3 times a week just for maintenance. And those clinical trials also showed that you maintain it as long as you supplement 2 to 3 times a week. Of course, this isn't just a product that is going to work on your face like applying topicals. This works head to toe because you are ingesting it, and it is releasing all of these amazing collagen peptides, microneedling internally from head to toe. So this is such an amazing overall anti-aging benefit for the front of the legs, crepey skin. If you get bumpy back of the arms, amazing for that as well. Tech neck, because we're rebuilding that collagen and elastin and firmness. Also really great for somebody who gets psoriasis or any type of dry skin conditions, because we are creating more hyaluronic acid naturally. And again, because this is bioavailable and bioidentical to our own, our body accepts it. So we've never even heard of anybody having any type of reactions to this. This is just such a safe, amazing medical drink for your overall health, skin, hair, nails. But for me, you are going to see the change to your skin like no other product you've ever taken before internally. So again, that's Skinade. Please let me know if you have any questions below, and I'm happy to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.